Hello, we continue to solve word problems that include ratios. The key strategy to solving these word problems is to make simple bar models. Let's read problem number 5. There are 450 students at a school. The ratio of the number of teachers to the number of students is 1 to 15. So this is T for teachers and ST for students. The ratio of the number of male teachers to the number of female teachers is 1 to 4. So male to female is 1 to 4. Find the number of female teachers. First, let's go step by step, translating this word problem into a simple bar model. What is given? There are 450 students at a school, and we obviously have teachers who teach the students. 1 to 15 ratio. That means one teacher is responsible for 15 students, two teachers can teach 30 students, and so on. Or in the other way around, if we have 150 students, we should have 10 teachers. 1 to 15 ratio. It's a very good ratio. So for each 1 unit of teachers, together we have 15 units of students. 15 units, right? 1 to 15. That is given. We also know that there are 450 students at a school. Altogether, we have 450 students. So 15 units represents 450 students. Therefore, 1 unit we divide into 15 equal parts represents 30 people. So we can label 30, 30, 30, and so on. And of course, that means there are 30 teachers at the school. Okay? So step 1, we identified that there are altogether 30 teachers at a school. Now, we also were given that these teachers can be male or female. There are fewer male teachers and there are 4 times as many female teachers. So this ratio is 1 to 4. If we know that altogether there are 30 teachers, right? 30 teachers split equally among 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 units represent 30 teachers. Therefore, 1 unit has 6 teachers. Now, in order to find out female teachers, so now female teachers, right? There are more of them, female teachers, females. 4 units is 6 times 4 equals 24 female teachers. The answer to this problem is 24 female teachers. Again, this problem was very easy to solve using bar modeling. Let's label here 6, and let me clean this up a little bit. 6, 6, 6, 6 teachers inside each unit. So this was our step number 2. The number of female teachers is 24. Now, let's continue solving this problem. There's something else that's given. The ratio of boys to girls is in the group is 2 to 3. So boys to girls. Clearly we have more girls than boys. After 6 boys join the group, okay? After 6 boys joined the group, the ratio became 5 to 6. My friends, this is a different category of word problems I call them before and after. We've seen these types of problems, patterns, before and after pattern, when we solved word problems about percentages. So what do we have before? Boys to girls are in the ratio of 2 to 3. After 6 boys joined the group, so what happened? Plus 6 boys, right? The number of boys increased. The ratio became 5 to 6. We can say 5 to 6. Find the number of boys at first. Let me mark this question. find the number of boys at first. Very good. So let's take a look. The most important logical conclusion and realization we can make is that while the boys' number increased by 6 students, the girls remained the same, right? Girls did not leave the school, no girls dropped or joined, so we can label same. Now, we notice that the girls were represented as 2 to 3. Let's label boys to girls used to be before in the ratio of 2 to 3. After boys to girls became 5 to 6. But the key realization is that the girls did not change. The number of girls remained the same, right? Therefore, the number of girls remained the same. But we do have a different number of units for these girls. The units are of a different size, that's why. Notice, the number of girls is the same. Before it's represented by 3 larger units, and after it's represented by 6 smaller units. In order to create before and after equivalent ratios, let's make them lookalikes. Therefore, we can say before, the ratio of girls was 4 to 6. And after 6 boys joined, the ratio became 5 to 6. Why did the ratio of boys increase? Because 6 students joined. Therefore, this one extra unit, step 1. So we have boys to girls as 2 to 3, which we doubled to come up with an equivalent of 4 to 6. Step 2. Before, we had 4 units of boys, and after 6 boys joined, we have 5 units. Therefore, the difference is 5 minus 4 equals 1 unit more. My friends, that 1 unit more is the 6 boys. 1 unit represents 6 boys. That's the key takeaway. The key takeaway is that 1 unit has 6 boys. Let's label 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. And because all units are the same thing here. 1 unit is 6 boys. Therefore, how many girls in 4 units? Why is it 4 units? Of course, at first. How many boys were there at first? Well, we know that afterwards we had 20, 1, 2, 3, we had 30 boys, right? 30 boys. Therefore, before 6 joined, we had 24 boys, right? So we can say step 4, 6 times 5 equals 30 boys after. And step 5, 30 minus 6 equals 24 boys before. Again, these before and after problems will keep showing up. They're one of the most challenging types in the ratio section.